Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing how to prepare eggless Christmas special fruit cake using whole wheat flour and jaggery on your stove top using your kadai. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of grated jaggery, whole spices such as 1 cinnamon stick, a small piece of nutmeg, 2 to 3 cardamom pod, 2 to 3 cloves. 1/4 cup of golden raisins, same amount of black raisin, tutti frutti, walnut, chopped almond, 1 cup of thick curd previously whisked, half cup of butter in room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally half teaspoon of baking soda. Firstly, to begin with, take a dry mixer or grinder jar and transfer the whole spices into it and grind it into a fine powder. Next, take a saucepan and into that transfer 2 tablespoons of grated jaggery and 4 tablespoons of water. Now keep stirring this continuously and cook in medium flame until the jaggery dissolves completely in water. Once the jaggery is dissolved completely in water and the syrup begins to boil, into this transfer the tutti frutti and raisins and give everything a good mix. Keep stirring this continuously in medium flame until the mixture thickens and the dry fruits turn nice and soft. We can stop further cooking at this stage and we can see our dry fruits are nicely cooked. Transfer this immediately into a plate and spread this nicely. Now into this add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour and mix this well using your hands until all the dry fruits are coated well with the whole wheat flour and they are easily separable. Next, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the grated jaggery, butter, curd and whisk all the ingredients well until it is lump free. Next, into this add half to 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything once again. Once your wet ingredients are ready, place a sieve on top and add 1.5 cup of wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda and sift all the ingredients well. Now gently combine the dry and wet ingredients using the folding technique. Once your nice and fluffy batter is ready, into this sift and add the previously prepared whole spices powder, nuts and the dry fruits and give all the ingredients a good mix. Next, to prepare the stove top oven, take a thick bottom kadai and place a perforated plate into it and close this with the lid. Make sure to cover the holes of the lid if there is any with some tissue paper. Now preheat this for minimum 30 minutes in low flame. In the meantime, to prepare the baking container, take a baking container and uniformly apply this with oil with the help of a silicone brush. Now place the baking paper in the bottom and as well as in the sides and pour the batter into this. Once done, tap the container 2 to 3 times so that you can level the batter and chop off the excess baking paper if there is any. Now carefully place the baking container into the preheated stove top oven and bake this for 60 minutes in low flame. After about 45 minutes, to check if the cake is done, poke this with a knife and if it comes out clean, you can stop further cooking at this stage. Since the cake here is yet to be done, I'll be cooking this further for another 15 minutes in low flame. Now our delicious Christmas fruit cake is ready. Now carefully remove this from the kadai and allow this to cool down a little. Invert this on a plate and carefully remove the container and the baking paper. Now cut this into any desired shape and we can see how nicely our Christmas fruit cake using whole wheat flour and jaggery is done. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.